Hi, in this tutorial we will learn about how to install software in Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to create a Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to install software on or in Ubuntu. So for example, if you are having a software package called python3.pip pip. So now it is showing us the list of items which are to be installed. Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to install a package in Ubuntu. So you can call it a package, or a software. So for that you just have to go to terminal and type apt-get install and then the package name. So in this case the package name for us is python3-pip, and if you will type that, it will ask for the root credentials. So just type sudo exclamatory marks, and then it will show you the list of packages which it is going to install. So it will also install all the dependencies as well, just to ensure that the software will get installed completely. And so just type y so that it can initiate the process of downloading and then further installing of those packages. So these are some of the packages which are to be installed alongside the final package, which is the python3-pip. So it will take a while to download all of these packages. So now that the packages have downloaded and are installed, we can just type pip to check if interesting. So now that the packages are installed, we can just run the application and it will start functioning. So this is how you install packages in Ubuntu. This is how you install Python 3 pip on Ubuntu.